When considering Trackit for your business, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. You might be wondering how it stacks up against competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, and in this video, we'll dive into everything you need to be aware of to help you make an informed choice. First thing you need to know is that Trackit is an incredibly user-friendly platform, which is a huge plus for businesses that don't have the time or resources for long training periods. The interface is straightforward, and it's easy to get started, even if you're new to help desk software. While other platforms like Zendesk offer more customization, Trackit keeps it simple and efficient. Next thing, Trackit provides a solid ticket management system. This feature is standard across most help desk software, but what sets it apart is its ease of use. You can create, assign, and track tickets with minimal clicks, and the system's organization is intuitive. Competitors like Freshdesk might offer more robust reporting, but Trackit delivers exactly what you need without the overwhelming features. The third thing to know is its asset management capabilities. Trackit integrates asset tracking directly into the help desk, giving you the ability to monitor hardware and software usage from within the same platform. Many competitors offer this as an add-on, but Trackit makes it a core feature. Next up, Trackit offers good knowledge base integration. While platforms like Zendesk have more advanced knowledge management tools, Trackit still does a great job allowing you to build and organize your knowledge base. If knowledge sharing is important to you, it's functional but not as extensive as some competitors. The fifth thing, customer support. Trackit provides reliable support, but it might not be as fast or extensive as some of the more premium services like Freshdesk, which has 24/7 live chat. If you need quick help around the clock, it might be something to consider before committing. Now let's talk about the pricing. Trackit is priced fairly for what it offers, making it a great choice for businesses on a budget. While Zendesk and Freshdesk can be on the pricier side, Trackit offers affordable options that still meet essential help desk needs. If budget is a concern, Trackit may be one of the better choices for small businesses. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the reporting and analytics. While Trackit does offer reports, it's not as detailed or customizable as some other platforms. Zendesk, for example, is known for its in-depth analytics, so if detailed reporting is a must, Trackit may feel limiting. The eighth thing to know is the integration options. Trackit supports basic integrations with tools like Microsoft Office and Active Directory, but it doesn't have the broad integrations that Zendesk or Freshdesk offer with other third-party apps. If your business relies heavily on integrations, this is something to consider. The ninth point, customization. Trackit gives you basic customization options, but it doesn't match the depth that platforms like Zendesk provide. If you need full control over the look and feel of your help desk or workflow, Trackit may not be the best fit. The 10th thing is its mobile capabilities. While Trackit does offer a mobile app, it's not as polished as some of the top competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk, which have highly rated mobile apps. If your team works remotely and needs a great mobile experience, this might be something to keep in mind. The 11th thing, automation. Trackit offers some automated workflows, but it's not as advanced as platforms like Zendesk. If you're looking for highly customizable automation options, Trackit may not be able to handle complex tasks like some of the bigger competitors can. Finally, Trackit is an excellent choice for businesses that need a reliable, no-frills help desk solution. It's solid in areas like ticket management, asset tracking, and knowledge base integration, but lacks some of the bells and whistles of its competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk. Overall, Trackit is a good option for businesses that need something straightforward and affordable. But if you want a better solution with more advanced features, including powerful automation, advanced reporting, and 24/7 support, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.